Hello, dzień dobry, namaste. Welcome in Cooking Lagoon, the place of world cooking recipes daily. Today I wanted to take you for an adventure of cooking, and it will be a very special video because it's our first video in our channel, and the more just because it's the birthday of my lovely husband. Because he loves eggs in the morning, I would prepare something special, but something delicious. That would be eggs omelette with bacon. I encourage you to join me in cooking for your husbands, beloved people, kids, lovers, whoever. Come and join me. Let's cook together. So our omelette with bacon will be made from eggs. Of course, we will fry the eggs. On the pan we'll put veggies like onions, tomatoes. We would need some cheese and spring onions at the top. And of course we need bacon. We'll fry it on the pan. And I will also use some cucumber just on the side to put it on the side on the plate. And everything will be with French baguette. We call it French baguette. And at the end of this lovely breakfast for my husband, our tummies will be delighted with Polish candy called krówka. First of all, we add eggs. I'm making omelette from 4 eggs. Of course, you can adjust the amount of the eggs for your own breakfast. Like this. We'll add some salt, some pepper, all the spices which you may like and use. I'm adding also some oregano. You can add some chili, whatever you want. And the eggs will land on the frying pan. Next, we cut our veggies, tomatoes and onions. Next, onions. Cut it into little squares. Next, we need bacon. I'll cut in little, like smaller pieces, and put it on the pan without any oil, without nothing. So it will just fry by itself. Now our bacon will put on the pan. So we can speed up. Okay, so now we would fry the egg. I've prepared everything so you can see what I'm going to do. First of all, of course, we would need to use some oil. Spread it on the whole pan. wait a moment so the oil will get warmer. As you can see, I'm just preparing the egg to pour our omelette before the performance. I think I'm going to make it in two pieces or one. Once we prepare everything, now it's getting ready. Reduce the fire. Don't put it too much fire. And now vegetables. So very nicely the onion, the tomatoes can adjust in the egg. In the meantime, I also cut cheese, but I will put it at the end while turning the omelette. Just wait when the egg will be ready for one side, and later we would turn it on the other side. After turning the omelette, we'll put some cheese. So our omelette is almost ready with the bacon. Now just a little bit of decoration. I will use the cucumber, fresh cucumber, green cucumber. You can peel it, but I prefer to cut it just like that. Now, of course, the baguette. So our omelette is ready. Now just little things for the decoration. Put on the top spring onions, give the color. Some camembert cheese. As you could see, I cut the baguette. Some fried bacon, and some fresh cucumber. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. If yes, please comment this video, like it, share it with your friends, and see you